Observation Committee of the Observance of the National Convention on Manipur Merger Issue (Oncmmi) 1993 convener Kulindro Konsam argued that Manipur merger agreement signed on September 21, 1949 should be considered null and void, citing it was signed under duress. He was speaking at the Observance of National Convention on Manipur Merger Issue 1993 at Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal today. The function, jointly organized by Amawova Amuko, MSM, MSF, PDM and PLM-PAM, was also attended by former Dean of Human and Environment Sciences, Manipur University, Professor W. Navakumar, President of People's Democratic Movement, Dr. Perdesi Lamabam, President of Amawova Chongtham Usharani, Senior Advocate Khaidem Mani, former Head of Department of History, Manipur University Professor, and Joy Kumar, President of Poirei Leimarol Mairapaibi Apunba, Manipur Soraisem, Memcha, and social activist Dr. Dhanabil Laishram. Speaking further, Fulindro asserted that King Bodhachandra was kept under house arrest in Shillong to sign the agreement. He added that powers of the king were restricted by the constitution, as Manipur at the time already have Manipur Legislative Assembly and enacted Manipur State Constitution Act 1947. Noting that such conduct is against the Indian Constitution and international laws, Fulindro went on to state that a mammoth public meeting held in this connection on October 28 had also resolved that the Manipur merger agreement did not have any legality and constitutional validity. He lamented that several forms of divisive policies have been scheming to divide the communities residing in the state since its merger into the Indian Union, while adding that Manipur was once an independent kingdom of Southeast Asia.
After the annexation or merger, Manipur ki ngasi phawda oirakliba political status asida tongan impact ba yamna pirakna ngasi koi yamna tangdu leitaba yamna nungai aipaba adumo oidri aduna koi masengi marakta ngasi tongan ba koi communities ni marakta nungai nataba yangthina ba natraga makal kya gi adumba sound ba kodaba mayam tholpo mayam singase ngasi after the Manipur bu namdra adumba bar ki kubang da sangkharba matung da gi maduki makal kya gi policy program mayam ngasi koi marakta ba ri sound mayam leibachina Paraga, a could future the Amamba, Numit by Amama, Matamatan Tosalkana, Ikoda, with Shiro, the Kaiba Mayamama, Lakoya Buki, Mamiam, Labors in the Maraga, Miam, that when Yam Sang Clarina, observance to the Kanagba, Ninaki, you of Miam Singado, Max Shang Miam, the Tamagulina, Tunga Koi Ojike, Karidojike, the Wadabu, Dogribo Portado, later national law, Mathematical Constitution of Manipur in 1947 Constitution Yate, I think later in the Yate, and the Panamusi Manipur Namdra, Barki Kwang, the Loxin Kibani, with the annexation,